Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove OBS Virtual Camera from Chrome. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to completely remove your OBS Virtual Camera from your Chrome, the best method involves uninstalling the Virtual Camera plugin and cleaning up remaining registry entries or system extensions. So for this, you need to simply open your Chrome browser, go to your settings, and simply type in camera. Once you type in camera, you can simply go and tap on site settings. So once you go in your site settings as well, you can simply find the option called your camera, where you can see the cameras that are being used by Chrome. So once you tap on it, you can simply find the OBS Virtual Camera right over there. So simply tap it on, and from the drop down menu, simply choose the default camera as your camera for Chrome. This will help you remove OBS Virtual Camera from your Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.